Hey guys, Alex from Video Upskill. In this video, we're talking about a super convenient audio adapter for your DSLR. Check it out. So I have been using this Saramonic AX100 unit for my DSLR shooting video production jobs, and it's been super handy because for my stuff, which is using really lightweight stuff like the Rode video mic, and you've got the lapel kit there, and a light, all these can be mounted at the same time on this unit because it has 3 different hot shoe, which is just so handy. And I've run 2 wireless mic kits, and that's also been really awesome. And so basically the downside to this unit is that you can't have phantom power because there's no batteries, and that also helps it to keep it really small. But if you don't need phantom power because you're running like battery operated mics or something like that, then that's all good. So I like to keep my system really small. You can have a left and a right control, and it's not bumping up the audio in this unit. It's just letting the audio come through, letting you have 2 inputs, and you can control the individual volume if one mic is a bit hot, etc. So if you've got a stereo mic, you plug it into stereo. If you've got one mic on the left channel, right channel, just plug your mic into either one, and then you plug this into your camera, and a hot shoe, and also a mount on the bottom there if you're going to mount it to a mic stand or something like that. And the build quality is really good. It's a really nice material, so I haven't had any problems with it. So simply just mount it to the A7S hot shoe. This is the rigging options. So basically, I've never been into cages, and this was just a fantastic, easy way to just attach multiple hot shoe based items, and you can really get a fantastic setup, very similar to my bigger FS100 with its mic on one side, running a wireless lapel kit on the other, and then the bonus of having a LED light on top. So yeah, this is really great value because it's not just an audio unit, it's also got all those different options for mounting different stuff. Okay, so we're just running an audio test now, and what I've done is I've got the wireless lapel mic, I'm wearing that at the moment, and you've got the Rode on the left hand side there. So if I don't talk and I just tap the microphone, we can see how it separates the channels. And if I was to turn off this mic, we can see that the other channel is just my lapel. So that's really awesome, and you can control the volume. For example, if I turn this one back on and I want to turn down this shotgun mic, you can see it going right down there. Turn it back up, that's back up. If you want to, just say you've only got one mic plugged in, then you can just switch it over to mono, and then you'll just have one signal. Or in this case, I'm combining both signals into one track, which you don't want to do if you've got 2 mics. So that's why I love this adapter, and I've been using it in place of my FS100 to bring the Sony A7S to more shoots, because I love using the Sony A7S. There's just, of course, the audio, but once you get this adapter, then you've solved a lot of those issues, and it's just a record time limit. So yeah, this is a fantastic unit, apart from not having phantom power, but at that price point and making it super small, no batteries required, etc. It's a fantastic unit. I really recommend it for any video production stuff that you've got going on if you want to keep your setup really small. Catch you guys in the next video.